8 freaking hours. I've made a whopping what is going on YouTube? Dude, my name is Joey Rich. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Team Live Rich. In today's video, I am going to be doing 8 hours of surveys just to see how much money I can make by the end of the day. And one thing that I really want to show you and showcase in this channel is basically a guy that's practicing what he's preaching. One thing that I'm tired of seeing is all these online gurus teaching you can make money typing keyboards, teaching you can make money listening to music, but they actually don't do it themselves. So I want to be the most realistic channel out there, showing you it's actually worth it. Can you make a full-time income from home? Can you do all the things that they're claiming you to do? So I'm gonna get ready to do some online surveys for 8 hours. I honestly never done this before. I'm excited, I'm nervous, and I'm ready to secure the bag. So let's get it. Let's see how much money I'm gonna make by the end of the day. Let's go. Into the office. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to start doing some surveys. I've been craving some energy drinks because if I'm gonna do surveys for 8 hours, you know your boy needs some caffeine in him. So I'm gonna get to the office, gonna do some surveys, and hopefully make a lot of money today. Let's get it. Alright, it's fun to be complete. I'm finna rock these surveys. I just got energy drink. Oh, we finna win. We finna win. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm now in my office. There's 2 spots that I know that I can make money with surveys from. And the first way I'm gonna try is from a YouTuber I saw. Her name is Shelby Church. Dope last name, by the way. Shout out to the Lord. Anyways, it's from a website called Opinion Outpost. And the second way is through a website called Inbox Dollars. So I'm gonna do 4 hours with Opinion Outpost, and then I'm gonna do 4 hours with Inbox Dollars. So it's 1:25 p.m. as of right now where I'm at, and I most likely will be done with all the surveys by 10 p.m. So let's wish me the best. Let's sign up for some websites. Let's hopefully I don't get scammed. Let's hopefully I make some money, and let's just fucking win. You know what I'm saying? Let's live rich. All right, so I have my whole setup now. I'm about to sign up an account for Opinion Outpost. I believe this is step 1, Opinion Outpost. All right, I think I've done it. Hold on, I think I got my first 3 points. All right, how much money is this? This should at least be $1 million, man. I spent at least 10 minutes doing this survey. Aw, crap, you see it? You see it? I'm 8 points in. I'm in points deep. What does this even mean, though? I have no idea. Oh, crap. All right. All right, so I have 8 points. And in order to make $10, I need 100 points. Well, I got 7 hours and 50 minutes left to go, so let's see how many points I could accumulate by the end of the day. If I could break $100 today through the online surveys, dude, this is legit. If not, dude, F this piece of crap. Let's go back into doing some surveys, man. Let's go back. Survey number 2 done. I just got 10 points. I finished this in 20 minutes. It's 2:33 right now. But current feedback right now. God damn, this is boring as hell, yo. This is really, really boring. This is really boring. This is really boring. This is really boring. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm really bored doing this. And I have another like 7.5 hours to go. If I don't make at least $10 from this is some BS. Let's keep going. Let's push through it. Let's push through it, man. This is so frustrating.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
So, in order to get these points, you have to qualify for these surveys. And for me, this is like the 3rd survey that I didn't qualify for. If you're considering on doing this, which I don't know if you are at this point, you have to qualify for each survey that you've done. And I just spent like the last 10 minutes doing a survey that I didn't get qualified for. Ooh. Man, you should be happy. I love you. I love you, man. For you watching this is love right here. I'm going through this stuff so you don't have to go through it. You don't. Let's keep going, man. Let's keep going. When times get hard, you have to keep pushing through, no matter how hard it gets. No matter how hard it gets. Let's keep doing this. I'm not giving up.
A few moments later.
Oh, thank the Lord. 3 surveys done. 22 points. I think, what is that, 78 points away from $10? I'm 78 points away from $10. I think this is going to be the $10 challenge, man, because at this point, I feel like this is it. This is it. It's do or die. This is for $10. This is 8 hours of work for $10 right here. Let's go, man. Got to keep a positive attitude.
A few moments later.
Oh my goodness. Again, I didn't qualify. I've been at this for, oh my gosh. Look at this. I did not qualify again. Come on, man. I'm trying to get $10. I'm just trying to get $10, man. To help a broke homie out right now that's trying to make money online. Oh my God, this sucks. This sucks so bad. Ooh. I'm gonna spend one more hour on this website. I'm gonna give this website 1 more hour of my time. If I don't get at least $5, I'm about to sue these people. This is wasting my time and wasting a lot of other people's time. So far, my experience is this is trash. This is trash. Like, want to see what it looks like? It looks like that. This is that website right now. Is that? I'm just trying to be rich. Someone called DJ Khaled, man, and say another one. Another one. I got disqualified from taking this survey again. So far, I've taken like, I don't even know. I've like 3 surveys and I got disqualified over like 5 already. Oh my goodness. How are people supposed to make an online full-time?
What?
I can't even talk no more. I'm losing IQ points right now. I'm losing IQ points trying to make money online with this survey stuff. Yes, we did it, baby. We did it. Finally, a survey that I qualified for. I just got 10 points. So basically every 10 points is $1. So currently I made $3.02. Oh, made $3.20 in the past 2 hours. 2 hours and 30 minutes. So, I'm out here making $1 an hour. I'm rich. That's 100 pesos in the Philippines where I'm from. Damn. You ain't making no type of money with this. All right, so currently I'm 86% away from finishing, I don't know, like my 5th survey. Hopefully I don't get freaking disqualified anytime soon. But, people who make money, we get hungry. You and me, we get hungry. We finna eat now. We finna rub. Appreciate it. Thank you. You too. Oh, I'm about to feast, baby. I'm finna eat. We finna eat good. Man, we trying to make online money. Online money be burning calories. Getting frustrated from getting rejected from all these surveys. And we about to get charged up like Drake into getting some online surveys in. Man, $10, bro. $10 for 8 hours of work. It's a joke. Shout out to all my sushi lovers out there. All right, I'm about to grub on this. About to finish this survey out, 86% as you can see, and let's try and make some more money. 3 points, let's go. 3 points, let's go. So 2.5 hours doing this. It's gonna be a long day. At least I ate sushi. But look, I'm in a dilemma now. See, this is the stuff, man. They tell you, yeah, you can make money doing surveys. You can make money doing typing on the phone. But look at this. When someone's actually doing it, look at this shit. All right, excuse my language, but look. Take a survey, right? Check back later. Check back later. So I've been refreshing this. It looks like there's no surveys available. So in 2 hours, 3 hours, I don't know, a lot of frustrations, I made $3.50. So this website, I'm done. I'm frustrated. I'm over. I'm on to the next one. Moving on to the second website from a guy named Ryan. Hopefully I say your name right, broski. Scribner. Ryan Scribner. But opinion outpost. Thumbs down, bro. Thumbs down. Don't even waste your time on this crap. $3.50. That's a joke. So I'm gonna make my inbox dollars account right now. I'm gonna go grind it out, try to figure it out, and let's see if this is any better. At this point, I really don't know. I don't know what to believe anymore. I'm kind of traumatized from this first site. Ain't gonna stop us though, so let's keep going. I made $5. I made more money signing up for this than I did for the last 2 to 3 hours doing opinion outposts. So this is going off on a good start. This is giving me some hope if I can make money on this. I made $5. Aw, come on now. All right, I'm gonna keep earning. All right, so I'm gonna fill this out. I'm gonna do everything I can in my possible power to make more money. But in total, so far, I made $8.50. I mean, that's not bad though. If like you're really broke and you have $0 to begin with, yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. You're telling me I get to gamble in this game? Okay, I'm gonna gamble. Bet. Let's bet. All right, I feel lucky. Scratch now. Let's do it. I got a 2. I got 25. Uh-oh. All right, come on, baby. Be a 2. Be a 2. Be a 2. Oh, did I win? Oh, crap. I just made 2 cents. What did I say? Winners freaking win, man. Winners freaking win. Let's continue. I just made 2 cents, bro. I'm 2 cents richer. You don't call me Joey Rich, get 2 cents richer for nothing. For nothing. I'm telling you.
Other erectile dysfunction treatments, such as Viagra, are prescribed with caution to patients with heart and blood problems. But ED medicine...
You want to know what feels good? Is not getting disqualified for a damn survey. So I just got 50 cents of 50 cents richer. And you know what? I'm just going to do... at the end of the day, results. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the total of my results because I feel like it's the same things over and over and over again. Find things you could get qualified for, get disqualified for things you're not qualified for, make like 1 cent. I'm gonna give you guys my final stats.
Hours later.
All right, I'm done. I'm done. As you can see, it's 10 o'clock. A total of $8.55 freaking cents doing this crap, man. I've never felt like I wasted so much time in my life. So in a total of 8 freaking hours of grinding on these surveys that reject you, that leave you emotionally hurt, I've made a whopping $12.05. Woo! Man, making money via surveys is a gosh damn no. Can you make a full-time income doing surveys online? No. Is this a legit way of making money? From my opinion, hell no. Should you go ahead and smash the like button? Hell yes. Yes, you should. So what is going on, guys? My name is Joey Rich again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I made around $12. Not really, because I can't even redeem my damn money that I earned doing these surveys. But go ahead and subscribe down below if you enjoyed this content. Oh my gosh, I am out of breath. Whew. Anyways, go ahead and also comment down below of a challenge you want me to go ahead and do, because one thing I'm very frustrated with when it comes to how to make money online is that there's a lot of online gurus out there that teaches you a bunch of techniques. You can make money surveys, you can make money typing Google, you can make money listening to music, right? So I want to be here to, as a platform, to actually test these theories out and see if it's legit, because there's a lot of homies I have, a lot of people that I love that, you know, wants to make a full-time income online or at home or remotely, just like myself, but a lot of people don't know where to start. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and do these make money online methods for you guys, so you guys don't have to do it yourself. Let me fail for you so you don't have to do it yourself. And if you like that, join the Live Rich family by subscribing down below. Leave a comment of what you thought about this content. Very excited about it. Go ahead and hit the notification bell, because I will be posting very, very consistently. And nonetheless, guys, peace. I'll see you guys in the next one.